Dear friends, good morning to everyone. Today we are making a new video. This video is about the topic of how to disassemble the oven. That is, how to take the oven out of its housing unit. So the first thing to do to take it out, depending on what type of oven it is, that is if it's a gas oven, and clearly we need to turn off the gas. And then we can take it out. What can this be useful for? This can be useful if you need to perform maintenance or repairs on the oven itself or on the gas pipes. So now let's see how to proceed to take it out. So, first of all, let's start by closing the main gas valve that we have in the kitchen. So we equip ourselves with a simple Phillips screwdriver, so no one is needed. No special equipment is required. Open the oven door completely. In this oven model, we will find screws on the side supports, both on the left and right, frontally. But it's not always like this, because in some oven models, these screws are found on the sides. However, they are always visible, so we proceed to unscrew them. So, from this moment, as you can clearly see, we have sped up the footage to be quicker and thus not waste time. Well, now once we have unscrewed the 4 screws, all that's left is to pull out the oven, gripping it here, under the edge of the upper part of the oven cavity, and pull towards us. Then it aligns with the door, and we continue to pull. In this oven model, there are 2 side strips, and those also need to be clearly removed. We continue to pull towards us. And then it must be gripped from the side. As you can see, there are side handles that make the operation easier in most ovens, and it can be safely placed on the ground. Now, the pipes. Already in previous videos, some of our friends have pointed out that these are old types of pipes. Indeed, yes. These are old types of pipes that we will soon replace. And this will be the opportunity to meet again and make a new video showing you how to proceed and which types of pipes are suitable today, complying with regulations. So once we have taken the oven out of the compartment, the necessary maintenance is carried out, either on the oven itself or on the pipes. Indeed, the replacement, as we mentioned earlier. And so, once the operation is completed, by bringing it closer, we can reinsert it into the cabinet, gripping it firmly by its side handles, and it slides back in. When reinserting it, you need to do it. Be careful, however, that the gas pipe and the electrical cable do not get tangled or get stuck in some way and potentially create problems. So, once it's reinserted, you need to push it in completely and screw in the 4 screws to secure it firmly. Here as well. As you can clearly and obviously see, the images have been accelerated to save time and not waste any. Now, in practice, the operation is complete. We can close it up, and at this point, by reopening the gas, we can safely use it again. Dear friends, many greetings to everyone. Today our video was short, but we will make more and see you soon. So if you have any comments or suggestions, write below the channel. And don't forget to subscribe.